Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OPPO A54s to an Android device. You need to start by going into Play Store on both devices and tapping on the search bars. Then type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. Following that, just tap on Open. Now you need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both smartphones. Then select receive on an Android and send on OPPO. Following that, you need to tap on all of those dots and select send. This way you will select all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take a while though, so I will go with only one photo, only for example, choose send and tap on got it. Over here on an Android, choose no thanks and tap on close this window. As you can see from here, we have the connection ways. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on an Android and selecting while using the app or only this time. Then pointing our camera at the QR code. But we can also just input this key over here and tap on receive. Now after literally a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!